Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sharpen your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to show you in this video, and on the bottom of the screen you should see the first option is edit. Click on it. Now scroll to the right and you should see the adjust option. Click on it again, and now here you can see the sharpen option, and here with this bar you can increase the sharpen, and if you are done, then click on the check mark option or icon on the bottom of the screen, and near it you can see that there are two other options. The reset option, so you can undo all adjustment made to your clip if you do not want to use that setting. You change your mind, and there is the apply to all option, and if you click on it, then the setting will be applied to all your clips in that project. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.